What's goodie? It's your boy RAH, man. I'm out here in the city where jazz started. The Big Easy, New Orleans, Louisiana. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this lovely video. Just got done eating at Felix's Oyster Bar. If you haven't been here, you should definitely go. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. We still out here just kicking it, enjoying New Orleans. Got my people with me. How you feeling? You good?
I'm alright.
Alright.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and family. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you keep up with the latest video. And I will see you in the next one.